Good morning, class. Let us all stand for our short prayer. Camille, can you lead us the prayer? Thank you. Please sit down. So, who is absent for today? None? Very good. All of you are present today. So, please be reminded of our classroom rules. First is respect each other. Second, participate actively. And lastly, always do your best. Now, who can recall what was our topic last meeting? Yes, Beverly. Thank you. So our topic last meeting is all about birds. So before we start, let's play a game called Simile Sound Match. I will read some sentences aloud. Each has a simile. After each one, point to the picture you think matches the sentence. Yes, Beverly. He ran like the wind. How about Camille? Do you have any idea? Very good. Her voice was as soft as a whisper. Then these are the learning outcomes that you will achieve for today's discussions. First, recognize similes from an audio clip or spoken paragraph. Second, use similes appropriately in oral descriptions. Third, sort and categorize similes from printed examples according to theme. Example, people, emotions, and objects. Fourth, compose a short skit or scenario using original similes for presentation. And lastly, interpret visuals or video clips by forming similes to describe what they see. So to start our discussion, let's do an activity. Each group will receive simile strips. Your task is to sort them into 4 categories: people, nature, emotions, and objects. Then choose one simile from each group to read and explain. You have 5 minutes to do the work. Time's up. So which similes felt easiest or hardest to interpret? Yes, Rosa. Very good. Easiest were about emotion because the relatable. Hardest were about objects because the comparison was more abstract. For the last questions, how did sorting them into categories help your understanding? Yes, Blessy. Thank you. It helped by organizing the meanings and making the similes easier to compare and understand. So what do you think is our topic for today? Yes, Rosa. Very good. So our topic for today is all about simile. Now let's define what is a simile. Yes, Hamna. What is simile? Very good. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. So why do we use similes? Yes, Camille. Thank you. So, using similes, they make language more vivid and imaginative. So, for examples, as brave as a lion, sleep like a baby, eyes like stars. Now let's explore simile across different language skills. Now let's do another activity. So I will be playing an audio clip. So listen and write down the similes you hear. Identify what two things are being compared. You have 5 minutes to do the work. You may now start. Time's up. So how did the similes help you picture the story better? Yes, Camille. Very good. They help create a clear image of the characters in mode. So which simile stood out the most and why? Yes, Rio. Thank you. Her laughter rang like bells. Stood out because it made the sound feel happy and light. For the second activity, think of one person, one object, and one emotion. Describe each using a simile. Example, my mother is as strong as a mountain. Turn to your seatmate and share one simile. Choose one volunteer to present to the class. For the third one, read the list of similes on the worksheet. Highlight the similes and group them by topic. So, you have 7 minutes to do the work. You may now start. Okay, time's up. So what clues help you identify a simile? Yes, Beverly. Very good. The words like and as showed that a comparison was being made. So how does the comparison help clarify meaning? Yes, Camille. Thank you. It shows similarities between different things, helping us understand the message better. Let's write a short skit using similes. With the same group, you must write 3 lines with at least 2 similes, match them to the feelings or actions of the characters. For example, I'm as hungry as a wolf. Second, well, I'm moving as fast as lightning to cook. Third, this smells like heaven already. For the last one, I will be playing a short video clip showing nature scenes. So while watching, think of similes to describe the scenes. After watching the video, write 2 similes based on what you saw. For example, the river flowed like a silver ribbon. So pair up and read your similes to a partner. You have 7 minutes to do the task. You may now start. Time's up. So now, why are similes important in communication? Yes, Ali. Very good. Similes help make description clear and more engaging. They connect feelings and ideas through comparison. So, which part of the lesson is hard for you to understand? If none, let's reflect to your understanding. So each group will present their 3-line skit using similes. After each performance, the class will guess the similes and explain what they mean. So you will be graded according to this rubric. So you have 7 minutes to do the task. You now start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Pass your paper in front. How did your group decide what similes to use and how did acting them out help show their meaning? Yes, Larnie. Very good. You pick similes that match the situation. Acting help us show the emotion behind each simile. So how did creating and performing simile as a group help you show teamwork and creativity? Yes, John. That's right. You shared ideas and listened to each other. Working together made the activity fun and meaningful. For your assessment, answer this following. You have 5 minutes to do the task. You may now start. Alright, now